Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today are the Fruit of the Loom's men's dual defense ankle socks. They've received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 20,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. They're also one of the Amazon's choice items. Introducing the Fruit of the Loom men's dual defense ankle socks, your ultimate ally in comfort and performance. Each pack of 12 socks is designed with dual defense technology, providing long-lasting, moisture-wicking power to keep your feet cool and dry, even during the toughest days. Built for durability and featuring a cushioned footbed, these socks offer superior support for all-day wear. Whether you're at the gym, on the go, or just lounging, these socks deliver unmatched comfort with a snug fit that stays in place. Elevate your sock game with the trusted quality of Fruit of the Loom. Don't settle for less, your feet deserve the best. Getting new socks is more important than many may realize. Worn-out socks lose their cushioning and elasticity, leading to discomfort and less support for your feet. Over time, they can also develop thin spots or holes, increasing the risk of blisters or irritation. New socks provide fresh, moisture-wicking properties, improved hygiene, and better performance, especially for active individuals. Upgrading your socks regularly helps maintain foot health, improves comfort during activities, and simply feels better. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.